professional enough.
Na-pressure.
Kaharap talaga. Sir, galingan mo.
So, we open it little by little.
Little by little.
Little by little. There you go. Mas you hear it?
Oh, tumataas. Hala,
I can hear it, yeah.
Yes, a very
what
refreshing.
is that? Like, wala akong alam.
It's a tequila base, madam.
Tequila.
Yes,
Good luck naman sa
añejo,
inyo.
tequila.
It's okay, we're not driving.
With lychee. With lychee and
Try that.
well, so this is the Perlini shaker.
The burden.
First in the Philippines. And here it is na lang.
Ano?
Where did you get that?
Secret.
Papagsama ko.
Yes, the boom. Shake it like you mean it. Okay, there you go. You're the sipping. It's gonna rise up like that.
So little by
Tapat,
little.
sir. Wala naman nangyayari.
So you want to
Tayo pong video na ano, porkat engaged ko siya.
Huwag kang gagawin.